Your time.
What has happened is that we have concentrated on those ones that were very clear. But the real intention was to do what this committee has proposed. That suddenly, after we think that things are okay, they increase RMD, road maintenance levy, road development levy, and the import duty. That is what the intention was. In fact, the net effect is likely to be that this finance bill may be collecting almost as much, if not more, than the previous proposal. So, Mr. Speaker, I stand in solidarity with those Kenyans that said that this must be rejected in totality. Mr. Speaker, I want to ask the Inspector General to stop interfering with Kenyans when they are exercising their democratic right of picketing, because Kenyans have a right to defend themselves.
A finance bill will come to the House, Honorable Speaker. We have the opportunity now to look at Finance Bill 2024. Honorable Speaker, a finance bill is usually a document of revenue-raising measures. But this finance bill must be looked together with the budget statement and the budget that we passed in this House. The finance bill complements the budget that we passed in this House, Honorable Speaker. That we have to raise revenue, resources, that we can finance the budget. So these two documents must be looked together, Honorable Speaker.
Zinatumiwa mpaka rais, Mheshimiwa Speaker. Hii Kenya watu wameamka, Mheshimiwa Speaker. Na mimi nataka niwaambieni, tutacheka leo, wengine wanasikia raha, wengine mmetumwa mpige yes, lakini kumbukeni, hii bill ambayo mnaifanya saizi si yenu tu, itashika vizazi vijazo.
This is very important, Honorable Speaker. Looking at the argument by my colleagues, and even going by the report that has been proposed, Honorable Speaker, by the committee, even in this proposal that has been reduced and some other duties that have been dropped or proposals that have been dropped, there is a ripple effect on our budget. Then that means we lose about 53 billion in terms of estimates. The question this House should be asking itself, to which vote do we drop that 53 million? Do we drop by the 10 billion from the NGCDF? Do we drop 500 million from the NGAF amount? Or do we drop 15 billion that was allocated, extra 15 billion that was allocated to the counties? That should be the question that we should be talking about. But all these other stories and people complaining and raising issues unnecessarily, Honorable Speaker, it is actually wrong. Let's restrict ourselves to the report. This is not politics. You all know this is very important for this country, and it has an effect to our growth and the growth of our common mwananchi. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, and for that reason, I support the report.